it's me again. So today on learning how to adult once you're 33 and have 4 kids and clearly don't have your shit together. Hi. I realized my microwave is disgusting. Like, I mean disgusting. I'm actually going to show you a pic of my microwave. As embarrassing as it is, because it's so gross. So I decided to Google, you know, easy cleanup microwave things. And there's a hack that says that you take a container, so I figured glass would be good, and you put some water in it, then you put it in the microwave with vinegar, and you leave it in, like, make it go for 5 minutes. So I figured, why not? Let's give it a try, right? So let's do it. So here I have put some water in my cup. Don't mind my nose. And I have vinegar here on the side. I'm just gonna eyeball it because honestly, I have no idea how much vinegar I'm supposed to put here, but I'm guessing it should smell like vinegar. Let me see. I don't know. Like, I feel that's not enough vinegar. Am I doing this wrong? Well, let's see if it works. So, I got the vinegar here. And then I give you the nastiness. I mean, how do we eat things that we put in here? Like, I'm sorry. Again, it's gross. So, the video that I saw, it said to put it in there and then set it to 5 minutes. So let's do that. And then when that sucker is done, we'll come back. I'll use this to clean it up. I buy these at Costco. It's a massive pack. They're very, very inexpensive. And this is what I use around my kitchen. I mean, they're bright yellow. It's not necessarily the color scheme that I was going for, but I use these everywhere. Like, I used a bunch of them throughout the day, and then I just throw them in the wash, and they're good. But it saves money on paper towels. All right, so we'll get back when that's done. All right, so we're almost done. This thing has been boiling in there really nicely. Ooh. Gonna use the towel to get this sucker out. And let's start by wiping here. I mean, was I supposed to add more vinegar? Doesn't seem particularly. Like, yeah, I can still see that, right? Doesn't seem that impressive. Did I do it wrong? Like, I can still feel some level of friction, I guess, from this stuff. Let's see on the back. Yeah, like, maybe I did this wrong. Maybe I need to add more vinegar. Wanna try that? Let's try that. Let's add more vinegar to this. A nice, healthy amount. Is it still? I'm gonna get my rag wet too. Maybe that would help. All right, so let's do this again. And all right, let's see what happens now. Okay, so it hasn't been the full 5 minutes, but I'm an impatient person. I have things to do, children to take care of, meals to cook. So I want to see if this will work now. I don't see. First of all, I got my little rag wet. And I mean, can you guys tell the difference? I feel like it did work. I feel like maybe I was being an idiot and I needed to get the rag wet. And maybe that's why it hadn't worked before. Because that seems to be okay. Let's see. You can really tell that back there it's nasty. Right? So let's try this. Wait, I'm so sorry moving the phone around. I'm recording on my cell phone. I mean, I guess that looks a little better. It's definitely not perfect. I don't know. I feel like, well, first of all, I have to take this thing out so I can wash it in the sink. Because that's gross. Oh my god, there's a world of nastiness hiding underneath. Alright, so I personally feel that this is not enough. That I'm still going to have to maybe get the sponge and do a little bit of scrubbing, because like this stuff. Like, I guess if your microwave was not as absolutely disgusting as mine was, maybe it would work. Like, it kind of worked. I don't know. I accept, obviously, honest opinions. Don't be too mean. But yeah, like, it definitely looks way better than it was. There's no denying that. But I feel like this just, I don't know. I mean, kind of looks a little better now. I don't know. Not sure why I'm sweating. No, I do know why I'm sweating. But, and it was not like the massive workout I just got. Overall, I feel like if your microwave is not as filthy as mine is, I feel like this is a nice hack. I feel like I should probably try to do this like once a week, just to like make sure, because like it'd been like a month since I'd cleaned it. I'm not proud of it. I'm sorry. It was nasty. So like I feel like if you do it once a week or once every 2 weeks, like it would work for you. I put in a little more elbow grease and I think it turned out okay. But if anybody would like to let me know what my dumbass did wrong, is there something I'm missing? Was there something specific that, you know, that works for others? I would love to know. The next thing I need to clean it is my oven. I might not do it today. Like, I can't deal with that. But I am gonna start Googling to see easy and simple ways to clean an oven, a dirty oven. And yeah. All right, well, thank you for watching my probably not very helpful video, but if anybody has any tips, I'll take them. Okay, bye.